Hi everyone. With interest rates now back at higher levels following the financial crisis, most people are looking at the best rates they can earn on their cash and savings accounts. However, there is a much bigger world of interest rates out there that is worth learning about so you really can invest for your life. The interest rates that governments pay to borrow money are actually the foundation for financial markets in any country. So for investors in the UK, we want to show you how to find out what those rates are. Amazingly, you can lend money to the UK government for up to 50 years. So let's dive in and see what we can earn. At the top of our channel page, you can see a link to UK government interest rates, so let's follow that. That takes us to the Market Watch website, which shows us the rate we can earn for lending money to the UK government for 1 year, which is just under 5% today. We can see from the chart that the interest rate actually moves around continuously during the day. And if we select the chart for the last 3 years, we can see how the rate has gone up from around 0 at the end of 2021. Now, some of you will have noticed this word gilt at the top of the page. This is just historic language that is still used for lending to the UK government. We will use it a lot, so just think of gilt specifically as a loan to the government in the UK because it's not a word that applies in other countries. So what about beyond 1 year? Well, if we scroll down the page, we get another chart where the black line shows us the interest rates we can earn going from 1 year all the way out to 50 years. And the blue line shows us what those rates were 1 year ago. It helps to think of these rates as being paid each year. So for example, the 5-year rate of 4% means you can earn 4% each year out to 5 years. In practice, it's a bit more complicated than that, but we'll cover this off easily in future videos. Now this chart is called a yield curve. The yield is essentially another name for interest rate because, for example, lending money for 1 year yields 5% interest. And when one looks at the chart, it's quite a smooth collection of points, and so it traces out a nice curve. Because yield curve is a term commonly used by professional investors, we'll also use it going forward. If we scroll down again, we can see all of the interest rates in a table. And by clicking on any one, we can explore the chart like we did for the 1 year rate. So let's quickly do that for the 50-year gilt. And what we see, looking back over 3 years, is a very similar behaviour to the 1 year rate we saw earlier. So to summarise, interest rates for government borrowing are the foundation for financial markets in any country. They change continuously during the day, and we can keep track of them using the Market Watch website. Thanks for watching.